Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. We are back in Long Beach getting ready to board another cruise out of the Long Beach port here. And I'm so excited to share with you our stay here the night before our cruise at Hotel Maya, which is within walking distance to the cruise port. So awesome place to stay before or after your cruise. Check out these rooms. They are beautiful. This whole property is incredible and I'm so excited to share it with you. But this property is a vibe. Like, what a great way to kick off a cruise journey, adventure, because look at this. It's so good. I'll just kind of walk you around and show you the layout of these rooms. We are in building 3, and I would say one of my favorite things about this property is the landscaping and the detail around the hotel buildings. So definitely try to get a view, take in the view. Just so awesome the way that they've done this. We obviously have a 2-queen room here, has everything you need, lots of space. You've got your refrigerator. Again, really great option for if you're traveling in and out of the cruise port, because it's going to make your stay so easy. And again, so here's a peek outside of this patio. Incredible. The cruise port is right over there. You can see it off in the distance. Our ship should be there in the morning, which is always fun to wake up and see. But this property itself is amazing. There you go. There's a closer look at the cruise port. And there's a walking path. Walk all the way over to your cruise in the morning, but in the meantime you get to enjoy Long Beach and the harbor and all of the fun things around this property in the meantime. Just really, really cool place to stay. Got your little chairs out here to relax before your vacation, because your vacation's already started, right? So this definitely makes it feel that way. No sense going into a cruise stressed or frazzled. Such a great property. Gets you in that travel mode. Okay, here's a peek at the bathroom. Again, look at these colors, and just the whole overall feel is so good. Very clean, really friendly staff. All the things that we look for in properties. Hotel Maya was definitely 2 thumbs up. Excellent product. And also very close to Long Beach if you needed to go to town for anything. We actually Ubered to a CVS. Really quick Uber in. Awesome. Okay, now here's the front of the property, Hotel Maya. We're going to go in and have dinner at Fuego, which is the restaurant that everyone raves about. So we're super excited to check this out. And as you can see, this whole property just has this incredible decor. So fun. Okay, Fuego. Oh my goodness. Such amazing food. The cocktails were incredible. I highly, highly recommend the Fuego margarita. The salmon. Everything was good. Everything that we had was good. Just very beautifully plated and delicious. And then look at the atmosphere. You're literally dining out over Long Beach, the harbor. Beautiful. I'm telling you, a great way to go into your cruise and then kick off your dinner with a churro dessert. It was fantastic. Highly, highly recommended. Give you a little bit more of a look around the property at night. I don't know. You might just want to stay here and not board your cruise. It's beautiful. But we really loved it. Definitely a great option. It will save you the time and stress of Ubering or lifting from a hotel somewhere else. Walk right over to your cruise. Probably will even save you money. Very affordable option and a great way to just, as I mentioned, kick off your vacation and enjoy. Isn't it beautiful? Now I'll just let you take in this evening view before we walk over to our cruise in the morning. Enjoy. Okay, it's cruise day. Really quick, I wanted to give you a peek at the swimming pool area here at Hotel Maya because that's incredible as well. Here's a daytime look at the harbor and all of the things. This is all on the walking path as we head over to the cruise port. So beautiful. I'm telling you, whether you're coming or going from a cruise, this is such an excellent option. Let me know if you have questions, details down below. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.